I jumped into some clothes really quick to start the day. I'm starting the day kind of late today because I was up late doing the Spanish translation for the What's Happening at Tiffany's Farm children's book, and working with the illustrator to try to get some of the pictures for the Spanish translation done properly, because when you're working with Spanish language, they have female words and then they have like feminine and also masculine. And some of the pictures I had to correspond according to gender, I think, just to be a little creative, making sure the tomato was actually a masculine tomato and not a feminine tomato. So that's just an example. So now I'm up and it is time to check on the greenhouse and also the chicken coop and make sure the chickens are fed. And then I'll be working with Mel today, Uncle Mel, to go ahead and rearrange the chicken tunnels so that they can have a different area to feed off of. So let me go put my boots on and let's get today started. I don't know if you can hear the chickens. They're outside singing. They have the egg song going on this morning. Looks like somebody laid an egg. They're so loud with it. Oh my God. So got the boots on. Let me go ahead and head outside. So I have some treats for them, but I also like to pull some fresh veggies for them along the way. Here's some kale. I usually just pick a bouquet of kale for them. Get a little variety going on this morning. Y'all stop begging. I'm here. What do you want from me? They love kale. I don't know if they love it because you hear how loud they are? Because it's coming from my hands or because it's actually good. So let's go and give the chickens some treats this morning. They're so impatient. There's a couple of the girls. Say hi. She's so grumpy. She has like a voice box issue. That's Blue. They're going, And here, of course, is Terry. And that's Jen right there. Yep. So you see 3 of them. Let's see about giving some treats. So the question of the day, do chickens like kale? It's fresh kale, you guys. So, I don't know if they're eating the kale because I'm feeding it to them or because they actually like it. But they tear this up. Blue is always so grumpy. She's not friendly. But yeah, today Uncle Mel has to come in and rearrange the chicken tunnels for us. So they can have access to more vegetation. They have a diverse diet. You gonna eat it? Want something different instead of that? Okay, I'm just gonna put this in there with you guys, and then we're gonna work on, because Jen noticing the worms down here. I'm just gonna pop that in there. Put on some gloves. And feed my girls some worms. We love worm treats. Don't be mean. Don't be mean, please. That's Jen. Jen is a meanie. No. Now Terry's at a distance. Okay, yep, so we gotta change the tunnels up a little bit. Give them a little bit more snacks. Okay, that's enough, you guys. So everything is looking good inside the coop. Check the water level. Yeah, it's just a little bit low. I'll change it tomorrow. It has some apple cider vinegar in there. And they love apple cider vinegar. Let's check on the food. Yeah, they still have plenty of food in there. So that's good. So we do have some eggs in here. This egg is from one of our production reds, and this is from one of the buffs. It's two different egg colors, and they're fresh. They just laid them. So we got to see if there's more eggs in the other coop. And that's good. Fresh eggs this morning. Always good. Hi, Uncle Mel is here. Yay! Chicken tattles. So it's nasty outside. It's very wet and it's not pleasant, but we have to get the chicken tunnels rearranged today because it's just long overdue. So I'm going to open up these blinds, put my boots back on, and head back outside so we get to work.
Yeah.
What's going on, Uncle Bill? You cut it too short?
No. Yeah.
We're working on the chicken tunnels in the rain, in the cold today.
Yep.
But this weather can't stop us, right? We do what we have to do for our bookies. Hi, ladies. Speak. Yeah, it's cold out here. Little fat girl.
Okay,
say
I'll
hi.
do that day.
Okay, Grumpy. So Grumpy. And look at Terry. Terry's starting to get a beautiful headdress. It's very red and pretty. I know, Terry, you want to get out, but we can't let you out right now. Working on your tunnels. Say hi, everyone. You got to make sure there's no gaps, too. Look at this right here, because they'll slide through.
Yeah, I think they.
Hold on.
Where?
Put it. It's a gap, right? Push it a little bit.
Right there?
Yeah, that's better. Actually.
Start right here, right by here.
Okay. Because my little boogers they'll slide through gaps. They're the great escape artists.
Yeah, that's why I got food. I got 4 tires in the thing.
So, if you liked today's video, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Oh, also, if you want to, of course, leave a comment. If you have anything to say, please feel free to leave a comment, okay? I will respond to all comments.